Lesson goal. This lesson will teach you about Forex trading, its types, and its benefits. You'll also learn about back testing strategies and will know how trading software helps traders. Learning outcome. Learn what a Forex trading signal is. Know the types of Forex signals. Find out the benefits of Forex trading signals. Understand what backtesting is. Become familiar with backtesting trading strategy. Discover how trading software helps traders. Types of Forex signals. Types of Forex signals include manual and automated Forex signals. Manual Forex signals are generated by people who are often professional traders as opposed to automated signals generated by the software. By contrast, automated Forex signals are generated by computer software that analyzes the price action of the market based on algorithms. Free and paid Forex signals. Free signals are provided by some companies for a limited period of time or as a free trial, whereas paid signals are provided by other providers. Entry and exit Forex signals. Several signal providers only provide entry signals, meaning that they let you know when you should open a position. Some providers provide only exit signals, which means they indicate when positions should be closed.